So what can fat analysis machines offer the meat industry? If we think about slaughterhouses, first of all, if a manufacturer produces product which contains too much fat, they run the risk of receiving a fat claim from their customer, therefore costing money. And as we explained in the previous example, if too much lean meat is actually packed into the actual final product, the manufacturer is literally throwing money out of the window. So the way in which to optimize their production is to tightly manufacture their products to the exact customer specifications. If we think back to the example at the start of the webinar, Lone Star Beef were able to significantly reduce their lean meat giveaway with the introduction of a fat analysis system. Additionally, they reduced their fat claims, improved the consistency of their final products, and also were able to ensure that the final products they produce were free from foreign contaminants. Likewise, when we were discussing the example of a processor in Holland, this particular processor, once a fat analysis system was installed, was able to ensure that the raw materials they bought from their suppliers matched the specification of what was ordered. Additionally, they were able to ensure that they produced to their recipe targets far more accurately and far more consistently. They were able to make far better use of the raw materials they had available, and again ensure that these final products were produced free from contaminants. The layout of that system, as we can see in this drawing here, was where multiple different raw materials, as shown on the left-hand side of your screen, which can be variable in their nature, could be combined so that the final product that is produced is far more consistent. The fat analysis system was able to capture what the variation it was of the raw materials and provide the appropriate feedback to ensure that the final product produced was to the target specification.